Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can insert SIM card and SD card in Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First of all, go to the left side of your tab and here find a hole. This is the hole. Here you go to insert SIM ejector tool. Bring SIM ejector tool. This is SIM ejector tool and insert here. Just push down into the hole and the SIM tail will be coming out from your tablet and take it out. Keep your tab aside. Here you are seeing two slots. In the first slot you can put one nano SIM. In the second slot you can put one micro SD card, that is memory card. You cannot insert two SIM cards here. Only you can insert one SIM card here and one SD card here. Now I will show how to insert, how to place the SIM card. First take out of the SIM card and place here in this position. Okay, see here, I have placed, and bring SD card and place it in this position. Place it in the second slot in this position and hold tight. Now bring your tablet and insert the tray into tablet here. Just insert in this way. Insert and push down. Yes, inserted. Now check your tab. SIM card will be detected by your tab. Just wait few seconds. You can see this signal here. Yes, it has been detected and showing. And to check it, go to the settings of your tab and go to connections and go to mobile networks. And it's showing that network operators Jio 4G. So Jio 4G is perfectly installed here. So in this way you can check out whether SIM card is inserted properly or not. If signals are not found, then you go to take out of the SIM card again and reinsert properly. Okay, now as of now it's working in my tablet. And to check for the SD card presence, go to home page and go to my files. Go to my files and here you can see SD card. Along with internal storage you can see the SD card details. Actually internal storage here 32 GB and external SD card is showing here 8 GB. Click on it and you will find files and folder there. So in this way also you can locate SD card. So SD card is also properly mounted. So you have learned how to insert SD card and SIM card in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.